you're facing verification issues on Gmail after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues during the verification process. Step 2. Clear browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and clear the cache and cookies. This can help remove any corrupted data that may be interfering with the verification process. Step 3. Use a different browser or device. Try accessing your Gmail account from a different web browser or device. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can prevent successful verification. Step 4. Request a verification code. If you have access to your recovery email or phone number, request a new verification code. Make sure to enter the code promptly, as it may have a time limit. Step 5. Follow Google's account recovery process. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve verification issues on Gmail. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.